Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're talking all about hydrosols. I am well over halfway. I'm actually almost done with my aromatherapy certification, and something we've learned a lot about that I really had no previous knowledge on are hydrosols. Like, no one talks about hydrosols, and they're super beneficial and versatile. You can use them for so many things, just like essential oils. So I'm here to share that. I'm going to share how they're made, what you can use them for, how to dilute them because it's way different, and I hope that you guys like this video. If you like natural living and essential oils, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss my upcoming videos. Let's get started. During the distillation process, there's steam, and then the essential oil kind of comes out with the steam and then is cooled. The remaining water left is the hydrosol. Some people call it floral water. So you can imagine it has a lot of the same benefits as the essential oil. It's made from the same exact part of the plant. It's just kind of a different form of it, right? So you can use it in a lot of the same ways, but also in different ways. So first, how they're made. The plant material, like I said, is placed in a still and heated with water. The steam that's produced carries the essential oil molecules and other aromatic compounds with it, and as the steam cools, it condenses back into the liquid, and the essential oil and water are separated. The water that is left behind is the hydrosol. So next I'll talk about what the hydrosols can be used for, just some basic general things that a lot of people use them for. So they're more gentle than essential oils. They don't need to be diluted usually, unless you have super sensitive skin. Otherwise, they can be applied directly, just sprayed on, or applied with a cotton round just to your skin. So facial toners, that's a big one that a lot of people use them for. You can just spray it on right after you cleanse. It kind of helps prep, kind of helps balance your pH of your skin so that it is ready for the rest of your products. The next thing is a body spray. A lot of them smell really good, and so you can just use it as your perfume or body spray. Also really cooling and refreshing on hot summer days. So a couple of them that I'll share with you in a minute we're going to be using a lot, like taking to the beach and things like that. Hair mist, you can also use them in your hair to refresh, like in between washes. I haven't tried that yet, but I'll let you know. I do have a dry shampoo that it is more of a spray, like a liquidy type of spray, no dry shampoo, but it is like an in-between spray, and it really works good. I think maybe if you add alcohol to one of these, I'll have to look up, like maybe work with and make a recipe to kind of copycat that one, because I do like the refreshing. It kind of is a different feel than like a dry shampoo in an aerosol kit. Anyways, aromatherapy, it is a good alternative to essential oils if you are sensitive to oils, and they're more gentle on the skin. A lot of them have antibacterial properties, so you can use them in addition to some of your cleaning stuff, like cleaning sprays, like for your counter and things like that. Aromatic baths, that's a huge way that we talked about using hydrosols in my class. So you can just add some to your bath water. It's a lot safer and gentler than just adding essential oils, which you should always dilute essential oils before just adding a couple of drops to your bath, because they don't mix in with your bath water. You have to dilute them first, otherwise you could get skin irritations and things like that. Which that's something that I didn't know, and at first when I started using oils, we would just add some drops. So side note if you didn't know. And then DIY, so you can use them in place of essential oils in some of your DIYs. So like a facial toner, instead of using rose essential oil, you could use some rose hydrosol in place of that. They're also used in a lot of DIYs, like creams, gels, lotions, salves, balms, bath salts, scrubs, you name it. All of the DIYs that you would usually add essential oils to. So dilution rates, I'll put this in the blog post. I'm not going to go through all of this, but it is very different from essential oils, and you're unlikely to get a huge dermal irritation versus essential oils when using hydrosols. So for the bath, you just want to add like a teaspoon to a bath if it's for a baby or a young child. As adults can use 1 to 8 ounces per bath, so it's a lot different. And I feel like easier and less stressful. Something else that I thought was really cool is they are safe for internal usage. And so, for example, a German chamomile hydrosol would be good before going to bed for like those calming effects. Maybe I can do an entire video on that. If you are interested, let me know in the comments. Okay, next I'm just going to share the hydrosols that I got. I just got all of these from Plant Therapy. They have such good prices on things, so I'm just always impressed with them. But the first one is Rose Hydrosol. So this is calming, anti Anti-Age and Floral. This is the rose one. It's $17.99. I'll have them linked down below too. So this one is great for an astringent or toner. Kind of helps balance your pH, so you can put the rest of your skin products on, like serum and moisturizer. Rose is good for oily skin, acne prone skin, mature skin, normal skin. It's good for almost all skin types. So this is a great one to like gift to someone too. It's calming, soothing, nurturing, emotional support. It's great for PMS symptoms as well, and it can just be applied directly to your skin. You don't have to worry about that. And then it smells so good. So rose, this is what I would assume rose essential oil would smell like, but I have heard from a lot of people, because I don't have rose essential oil, that it really is too strong, and it's great for a body spray or a linen spray. Helichrysum Hydrosol is next. This one is $13.99, and again, we got this. Helichrysum is used a lot for like wounds and owies, so it's in all of our owie sprays. So this one is going to go with us a lot this summer for bumps, bruises, bug bites, all of the skin like irritations. So this is going to be good and soothing for. It's anti-inflammatory, cooling, so good for eczema, psoriasis, rashes, all kinds of skin stuff. So when you think Helichrysum, think skin. And it's great for dry and mature skin too, so you could use it as a toner for that. You can put it on before your moisturizers. And then the last one I got was Roman Chamomile Hydrosol. So this one, I just recently got into Roman Chamomile. I only had German Chamomile before, and I just really love and prefer the smell of Roman Chamomile. Oh, the Hydrosol. It's a lot more earthy than sweet, whereas the essential oil, in my opinion, is more sweet. But this one would also smells so good, and it's so calming, so it would be good for a linen spray like right before bed. It's anti-inflammatory, so also with this one, Roman Chamomile, think skin, so any skin irritations it's going to be beneficial for. And then also emotion, so anger, anxiety, hyper kids. I just literally took this and like sprayed it all over during Zara's temper tantrum the other day, and first of all, I just caught her off guard, so like grabbed her attention, but also it is just so soothing and calming. So try it, see if it works. Okay, so if you haven't heard of Hydrosols or used them, I hope this helped. I do plan on trying some more, so let me know if you want me to share any different ones that you've been like interested in. Let me know if you have any questions. I love how gentle and versatile these are, and like I said, they're so underrated. No one talks about Hydrosol, so I hope this helped. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great day. Bye.